I want to talk about spanking. Does it work? Sometimes. But I think it's helpful to understand why it works and how it impacts your child when you spank them. Children need their parents to have their basic needs met: safety, food, shelter, water. Kids can't survive without them, and they get those from their parents. Because children need their parents to provide those things, children's brains are wired in a way to get them to do the things that their parents want to keep them close. This is based on a theory called attachment theory. When a child stops doing the thing that they're doing because you spank them, it may work, but it's accomplishing this by making your child fear you, not respect you. When a child fears their parent, it disconnects them from an attachment perspective, which then discourages them from coming to you about anything else that they might need. The relationship with you experiences what is called an attachment rupture. It's like an injury to your relationship. When an attachment figure like a parent repeatedly hurts you, like through spanking, your child's understanding about what a loving relationship is formed and centered around the confusion that love equals pain. We see the long-term effects of this play out in future relationships into adulthood, in relationships that include love and pain through domestic violence and abuse. I also don't spank because I believe children are worthy of the same amount of respect as a human being that adults are. As a mother, I don't spank because I don't walk around hitting other adults when they're not doing what I want them to do. Hitting another adult is called assault. I do not assault adults, and I do not assault children. Just as there are other ways as an adult that I would say and do to another adult to get them to hear me or listen to me or understand me, or for me to set boundaries with them or communicate to them, there are other parenting methods besides spanking as well, which helps parents accomplish those things. One method, such as the positive discipline program, which we teach at Creative Family Counseling, helps parents replace unhealthy parenting tools, such as spanking, with healthy, respectful ones. Those tools teach kids to respect other people, not fear other people. And it repairs the disconnection that spanking and harmful parenting methods do. So the next time you go to spank your child, ask yourself this question: do I want my child to fear me and experience pain from me? Or do I want my child to respect me? Because those are two different things.